हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप सो सब ठीक होंगे। अच्छी लाइफ गुजरी होगी यार। इंटरनेशनली या जब भी देखा जाए, लोकली की बात की जाए तो टेक्नोलॉजी सबसे ज़्यादा आगे होती है। और टेक्नोलॉजी को जितना ज़्यादा प्रमोट किया जाता है उतना ज़्यादा बेस्ट रहता है हम सभी के लिए। आज मैं आपके साथ जो टॉपिक शेयर करूंगा रोबोटिक प्रोग्रामिंग से रिलेटेड है कि व्हाट इज़ एक्चुअली रोबोटिक प्रोग्रामिंग एंड हाउ इट इज़ एक्चुअली वर्क। तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस तरह के जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है उनको देखने के लिए, सुनने के लिए, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा ताकि जो भी वीडियोस बनाता हूँ उनका नोटिफिकेशन आपको फ़ौरन से मिल जाया करे। ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ रोबोटिक प्रोग्रामिंग? रोबोटिक प्रोग्रामिंग इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिफाइनिंग स्पेसिफिक कमांड्स ऑफ एन एप्लीकेशन फॉर एन इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट to automate application instructions are inputted to the robot's control system which the interprets the steps and relay the information in the robot's programming language to the PLC or controller of the industrial robot. The robot PLC or microcontroller then moves the robot's actuators motors which controls the robot's axis according to the commands of the program applications programs. Programming is vital to the success of any robotic application. Without programming, industrial robots would not be able to automate production related tasks. The Phoenix LRMate 200 IC is able to automate pick the place applications through programming regardless of the application's type. All robots need to be programmed prior to implementations of an automated manufacturing process. Programming language. There is a wide variety of coding languages that can be used to program industrial robots. Most robotic manufacturers have their own programming languages for their robots. For example, ABB uses Rapid to program their robot, including the ABB 2400s and the ABB 4400s. Other common coding languages used for industrial robot programming includes CCC, C++. Industrial robots programming includes C++, Python, Java, and C#. The coding languages are used when programming robots through a PC. In recent years, top robotic manufacturers have focused on making robot programming more intuitive as the adoption of robotic automations grows. Manufacturers want to make articulated robots more user-friendly through simplified programming. Robot programming is Robot programming is gradually moving away from using lines of code and transitioning to more straightforward methods. Programming categories. Robot programming method can be divided into two categories: online programming and offline programming. Online programming is involved using the robot in order to create the application's program. Online programming method include both teach pendants and lead through programming. Teach pendants are the hand handles device included with the robot control system. It is estimated 90% of robots are programming through teach pendants, making it in the most pendants features touchscreen, which is used to enter application instructions or select predefined applications. The Fennec F The Fennec M410IB160 can be programmed for automated parallelizing using its teach pendants. Lead-through programming is mainly used to program collaborative robot. With this method, an operator will manually guide the robot arms through the sequence of motions of a desired application. This method is also referred to as hand guidance or walk-through programming. Lead-through programming is one of the simplest ways to program a robot. It is well suited for application involving a continuous path.